Hello and welcome to English for Beginners. Lesson 18. Eat is the opposite of drink. Walk is the opposite of run. Sit is the opposite of stand. What's the opposite of eat? You say. What's the opposite of eat? Drink. What's the opposite of walk? What's the opposite of walk? Run. What's the opposite of sit? Stand. Work is the opposite of play. Talk is the opposite of learn. Go to bed is the opposite of get up. What's the opposite of work? Play. What's the opposite of talk? Learn. What's the opposite of go to bed? Get up. Get a wash is the opposite of get dirty. Get dirty. Cook dinner. Cook dinner is the opposite of have dinner. Put the apple in the fridge. Put the apple in the fridge is the opposite of get the apple. What's the opposite of get a wash? What's the opposite of get a wash? Get dirty. Get dirty. What's the opposite of cook dinner? What's the opposite of cook dinner? Have dinner. What's the opposite of put the apple in the fridge? What's the opposite of put the apple in the fridge? Get the apple. What do you do with the chicken? You eat it. You eat it. What do you do with the water? You drink it. You drink it. What do you do with the TV? You say. You watch it. You watch it. What do you do with the piano? You play it. What do you do with the fruit? You eat it. What do you do with the newspaper? You read it. What do you do with maths? What do you do with maths? You learn it. What do you do with the chair? You sit on it. What do you do with English? You learn it. What do you do with this chicken? You cook it. What do you do with music on the radio? You listen to it. You listen to it. What do you do with the ball? You play with it. You play with it. What do you do with the pen? You write with it. You write with it. What do you do with the bath? What do you do with the bath? You get a wash. What do you do with the bed? What do you do with the bed? Sleep. You sleep in it. You sleep in it. What do you do with orange juice? What do you do with orange juice? You drink it. What do you do with a dirty shoe? What do you do with a dirty shoe? What do you do with a dirty shoe? You wash it. What do you do with a dirty sock? What do you do with a dirty sock? You wash it. What do you do with a sofa? What do you do with a sofa? You sit on it. You sit on it. What do you do with an ice cream? You eat it. That's it for today. Thank you for coming and see you next time. Goodbye.